Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Zippo emergency fire starting kit. Okay, so it comes and it looks like a Zippo Blue. If you don't know what a Zippo Blue is, it's pretty much the shape of this Zippo, well, this lighter, and is a turbocharged flame instead of a normal Zippo flame. Just works exactly same as a Zippo. This does. Just pop it open. It's harder to close because when you just close it, it goes to there. But you have to push down and it will lock itself because it is waterproof. I'll be doing a water test on it. And there's Zippo. Okay, so it's quite tough to open, but you see that, and this wheel bit here comes out like that, sort of looks like a scooter fork, right. And this bit here unscrews where the flint goes. So put this back. Yeah, right. So the inside material, like this bit round here, there's a little rubber bit here, and then the rest is plastic, and then the hinge is different to a Zippo hinge. There, if you just hold on 2 secs, take a look at that, and I'll just go run and get a Zippo. Right, so this is just one I just found on my bed. I was just playing with it, but it's running out. Anyway, so that's it there. The hinge is a lot bigger and it's easier to move. By the way, this is a fake Zippo. As you can see. Okay, so all you have to do is, it comes with 4 little like candle things with wicks on it, and they just slip in there nice and tight. So you just break up this bit here like that, and then put it to this and go. Oh. Oh, that was a lot. Oh wait, sorry, wait, let me just do something. Oh wait. Oh, that was a lot. Here you go. And it just lights like that. And then it will just have all like the embers. Just gonna leave that out for a minute. Okay, so that's that done, and then once you've done that, you can just push this in like that, and it fits in there nice and tight. So it only comes with 4. This is a good Zippo emergency fire starting kit if you go camping or walking a lot and you get lost and you need to make a fire. It's always good to stash them all though, so if you get a little container, then that's definitely good, and get some spare flints to carry as well, because if you keep on jinking it, like on this, you only do it when you light a piece of wood, or if you smoke a cigarette, which I don't, because cigarettes are dirty. And yeah, so it's a nice luminous orange, so if you did lose it in the snow or in the woods, you'd be able to find it better than pretty much any other colour. This emergency fire starting kit is because it's like a red, and that's like the emergency colour. So yeah, anyway guys, go check out my other video I done on this, which will be up as well. So this is the credit card multi-tool here. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. I will be doing some demonstrations with this once I've sorted all out my other videos. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe.